Hi, this is Karen with WTI.
And these are the LC-dolida sleep headphones. And I really like the quality of the product. They're really comfortable to wear. It has this little cushion to not let the light go in. Sometimes you're just sleeping and under your nose you still see that light, especially when you have migraines. At least me, I have migraines and I need darkness, complete darkness. And this sleep mask gives me that. And the speakers are so thin that you can hardly feel them at night, especially if you're a side sleeper like me. It doesn't bother me. Like I can fall asleep really easily. It's like a massage for your eyes almost. But also because of the speakers, you can listen to EDMR music or AD music, and oh my goodness, it's just like a massage for your brain. It relaxes you, it just takes you to a completely different universe.
And that's my point of view.